Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product review. Wow, this blew our mind. This is from ifi audio.com, and this thing will make your headphones sound freaking awesome. It'll take them to the next level. This is the xCan. It's a portable headphone amplifier that's sure to give your music a superior sound, and it's awesome. Now, you can plug it in with different wiring. It's really smart. It can either use 2.5 or 3.5 wiring, or you can use Bluetooth to enjoy it, and it just takes your sound to the next level. It blew our minds. With Bluetooth, it can deliver CD quality Bluetooth via AAC, aptX, and aptX LL with their added ifi magic. You can stream wirelessly from your smartphone. You can Bluetooth from your TV to the xCan. Holy crap! Did you just hear that? You can Bluetooth from your TV to the xCan. No need for wires. You just plug your headphones in the xCan at your side. You can give soundtracks extra energy, add extra oomph to your gaming, and hear the whoosh of an arrow or the throttle of an F1 car in all their glory, according to the website. I got to tell you, I game a lot, and so I use this for my gaming. Holy crap, it takes it to the next level in the quality of sound that you're going to get and all the different nuances you're going to hear within that sound. On the wiring end of things, you can connect via digital SPDIF or via analog 2.5, 3.5 connection, as I mentioned before. It's got S-balance technology, which means you gain the advantage of a balanced connection even when using an unbalanced one. On headphones, this means lower distortion, less interference, and less crosstalk. And it enables you to take advantage of the growing number of balanced sources such as high-end DAPs. This thing is a crazy powerhouse. It's got dual mono headphone amplifier with 1,000 milliwatts of power per channel. This thing is going to make your headphones just sound 10 times, 100 times nicer, if you will. And they added their signature sonic extras as well. They have a thing called 3D Plus they make, which opens up your music to give this spaciousness of a live concert or atmosphere. And it's got X-Bass 2 analog-based correction system, which corrects headphone speaker bass response to deliver more natural sound to the mid-range frequencies. And you can kind of combo these out and play with them with the buttons on the back and the front, where you can mix the presence with the X-Bass or vice versa, or take one out, use the other. It's really darn cool. And it can give you a variety of different sounds that can really drive the quality of your headphones. Here at the Chris Voss Show, we review a lot of great headphones. Some of our favorite are Master and Dynamic headphones. And a lot of musicians love Master and Dynamic headphones as well. And so we use them. We've always loved the quality of sound we've gotten for them. Man, we plugged the xCan into them, and it took it to a whole freaking new level. If you have maybe some cheaper, maybe some less high-quality headphones, these are a great way to take these and drive those headphones to a whole new, better sound quality that you're going to appreciate. You may think you're listening to more expensive headphones. I love this thing. It is great, and it's so versatile in working with iPhone, with Android phones, with different Bluetooth connections that you want to take and stream from. It's freaking awesome. Comes with a mount you can mount to the back of your phone as well. That's what you see in the unboxing, was all those little Velcro things. You're going to make it so it will just attach Velcro to the back of your phone, so you can have it all in one piece and you can hold it all together. The smart battery inside it provides up to 18 hours of playtime on analog, or 12 hours of Bluetooth, depending on your choice of headphones. So pretty darn awesome. That's plenty of play for you. Unless you listen to music 24 hours a day, that might be a problem. But you do need to sleep every now and then. So there's that. It's got a curvy chassis with cool LEDs that tell you what to do. It's very pretty and very beautiful. And wow, just being able to boost the headphone amplifier with 1,000 milliwatt hours of power per channel, it just makes it sound so freaking beautiful, and it will blow your mind in the quality of output. So definitely awesome. And it's got a separate power input with USB Type-C, so that you can charge the internal battery. So it's definitely working on the latest, coolest technology that's there. I got to tell you, I loved it. Play with it. I think it's awesome. I highly recommend this for all my friends. I've been going around bragging on this company and what they're doing. You really want to check out some of the other things they're doing with their DACs as well. Highly recommend them. Anyway, guys, certainly appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to check these guys out. You can go to ifi audio.com. Thanks for being there. See you next time.